First movement in our grind series is the Cossack squat. So we are going to take a wide base with our feet. We're going to sink into one side, trying to get the back side as close to the heel as possible while straightening out the other leg. We also want to try and point the toe of the straight leg to the sky. To use a strengthening movement with the Cossack squat, we are going to use a dumbbell or a kettlebell in front, and we're going to keep the exact same format of loading either leg for a couple of seconds and then changing over. Third movement is going to be a frog stretch. So we're going to find a position on all fours, then bring the knees slightly wider than the wrists and push the hips in between the heels. We want to keep the ankles and the knees in line on this as well. To further get deeper into that stretch, we go down onto the forearms, and again we just continue to push the hips back as if we're trying to sit back in between the heels, trying our best to keep a neutral spine throughout. And our fourth movement in the grind series is the Copenhagen hold. So we want to have the shin in line with the bench. We want to be on the straight hand first. And as you see here, my knee, my hip, my shoulder is all in one line, and I'm squeezing the glutes good and high. To make it a bit more difficult, I can go off the forearm. Again, just keeping the bottom leg in contact with the bench as well, keeping the hips relatively high.